In this video, we'll create a smooth change on grid item hover. So when we hover over any of these items, we'd like to see some sort of a nice hover effect. So let's do that in our CSS. So we've currently got a 4x3 grid, and we just want to add some sort of a transition effect when we hover over any of these items on our grid. So we'll start from the class selector, the item, and we'll just add a transition property. This will allow us to control the transition effect when the CSS property changes. So here we can specify what we would like to change when the transition effect is happening. And in this case, we can specify that we'd like the background color to change. Here we say that the transition will affect the background color property of the element. And what we also want to do is to specify the duration. Say here, the duration of the transition, we want in this case to be 0.3 seconds. And we also want to use the ease function. Now this is a comment timing function that starts off slow, speeds up, and then it slows down again, creating that smooth transition effect that we want. Semicolon. And next, what we want to do is we want to use the item hover. Now over here, what we're saying, this is a pseudo class targeting the item element when they are in the hover state. So meaning when the user hovers the mouse over that item, we would like the following changes to happen. Now, in this case, we'd like the background color to change to whatever color we specify. So let's go to our color, HTML color picker. And, since we're using an orangey color there, so we can do something a bit more reddish, but it's up to you. Feel free to use whatever color you like. So in the hover state, we'd like this item to change its color. So now when we hover the mouse over that item, we get that red color. And at the same time, we have also that smooth transition of 3 seconds with the ease timing effect applied to that background color. So when hovering over an item, we change the background color to red, triggering that transition effect that we have defined here. So that's how it works. And feel free to experiment with different colors, maybe a bit of a darker, I feel a darker shade of red might look slightly better, but I'll leave it to you to play around. So now we have some sort of a darker shade of red. So yes, that's pretty much what we are saying. When hovering over an item, we want the background color to change to whatever color we specify, in this case, red. And that also triggers the transition effect that we have specified here that says 3 seconds, 0.3 seconds on the background color with the ease function applied. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.